What you got, Tom?
Presents. Not for me though, just presents for you.
So I want to say thanks to Powerflex. So check them out in the description.
How many is there?
4. I've made 2 of them up so that you can see what they look like. That's the lube as well. I'll give you a little packet of lube.
Don't need that.
Because I knew I was coming here.
You're gonna get fucking lubed in a minute. I wish you got my cage in black now.
What?
I wish you got my cage in black.
That's right.
Actually, I wish you got my cage in actual colour that I bought it in.
Cheers safety devices.
Cheers safety devices. I said last week you did it in matte grey. Then made me wait 20 weeks for it, so. It's sticky that car a bit. Minor. Next question, which ones are they?
I don't know.
Which what they?
Inner arm bushes.
Rear inner arm
Yeah.
bushes.
You might want to lift it up a bit more.
Rear inner arm.
Right, so that's what we're changing. You can't really see it because this camera has no light. Oh, here we go. I've shoved my muffin in now.
Right, first problem, when I undo them bolts, it's going to fuck tracking up big style. So that's how you just tracking them bolts.
We're going to show you today how easy these are to install.
We're going to show you how easy they're not are to install.
That doesn't make any sense, Tom. Look at that. What, is that meant to be attached?
I took it off.
Oh, I was going to say. Is that going to focus on it? Yeah.
There's been here 5 minutes and you're smashing gaff up already.
Did it fall over though?
They want this car to fall off ramp accident.
You can do what you want. I'll get it on camera. I'll sue you. We're still waiting for Monster to sponsor us. And then we're done, aren't we? Powerflex.
Monster.
What else would we want?
KW.
I don't know, I'd rather have Billstein, because Billstein do the Nürburgring trips. Oh.
I'd rather be sponsored by KW.
Well, I don't know, I wouldn't grumble at some club sports if they're offering.
Recaro, yes.
I would like a pole position.
I'd love a pole position. I'm going to buy some pole positions off Adam. When Adam actually, speaking on this subject of Adam, supposed to be sorting me a price out on some pole positions about a month ago. Still waiting for this message.
Well, this is the only way you're really going to reach him. Indirectly in a video he probably won't watch. So Bill Stein, if you want to sponsor us, just send me to, do what you did to Boca and send me to Nürburgring for the day.
Don't mess about with drill bits, kids.
We're trying to get the old one off at the minute, but we just keep snapping drill bits. Because VW made some sick rubber bushes that are actually made out of about titanium.
As you can tell, Brad's helping.
Helping. Brad's here again.
Always here.
Since that last video, he's actually fitted his steering wheel that he nicked. There's some poor sod driving around like Sheffield now with no wheel, just a pair of mole grips.
Everybody drives on Sheffield with a pair of mole grips, especially around this area.
Especially the nicked area.
That's it.
So it's going to look a bit weird because us three are going to be in the same room in the same clothes for the next 3 videos. But we're just recording these in bulk today because I've got half the day off. And Tom's milked enough people for LED bulbs. So if you order from Powerflex, contact Tom and he'll fit them for you. So we've got one out. Bit of a pain, but we'll survive. Is this going to add to the car being stiffer than the Men in Badge? If you've googled either A, how to make your car stiffer than the Men in Badge Dream, or that you want some of these from Powerflex, this is going to show you. So you put half in with a little bit of lube,
It's like a top hat.
a bit of persuasion, like a little top hat. And then the other one goes in, same amount of lube and the same amount of persuasion. A bit of a Tom Parker, 1 Newton Tom.
Tube. Grease that up.
Grease your tip up.
Like so. I'm supposed to press for this, but I like to run it behind.
Let's go gym. And then you're a human press.
That's it.
like Tom said, you are meant to use a press for some of these, but some of these like these easy to get to ones, or the ones you don't have to take them off the car, it is manageable there.
That's installed.
Yeah. We're 25% way to being stiffer than the men in Brad's dreams. Where's he gone? Fucking hell.
I won't let him behind you.
I'm sure there's restraining orders against him for that.
I'm not going to say all that I'll regret on YouTube.
Right. So yeah, we're nearly there. We're not nearly there. We're one step. We've just got 3 more to do. You have to take the rear subframe bolt out. So we've got the top one done. We found it easier just to fucking wedge it out, like as best as possible.
Basically, all we've done, we've undone them bolts at drive shaft, pulled this one down, pull that one down.
Did we do? I don't even think we really needed to do the fucking drive shaft though, because it didn't really come out.
Cut across end of it with reciprocating saw.
Recirculating.
I know petrol tanks there, but we've just gently heated it up with blowtorch until rubber's gone soft, and then we've just pushed it straight through.
Yeah. So if you're like me and you can't get the drive shaft off, that's how we've done it. We've just cooked it. Use lube liberally.
If that don't work, KY jelly and Summers, tropical flavoured. Whatever you want, whatever floats your boat.
Yeah.
Right, hold that down. All these polybushes are just holding up rust together.
That's what happens when you buy a VW. You just stiffen the rust.
Right.
More rust.
Rust is like than carbon fibre though, boys.
It is. We've got one in. We're just looking for the. Tom's lost the bolt.
Yeah. Need to do that top bolt now. Right,
yeah, subframe bolt. So we've done both of them. They're both in. It was a bit of a bastard getting the top one in. It just takes some fettling if you're doing this on your own or with your mate.
Definitely a
two-person
two-person job.
Tom. Just come to Tom's and he'll do it. Just message Bellmans on Facebook, tell him you watch this video and he'll sort you out. He'll put you in. You'll know it's Tom because he'll go, nah then! And it'll be all in capitals. And it'll have a date after it. Right, so, we didn't film the others. I'll try and explain how we did it. We heated it up to 20 degrees for 18 minutes.
Gas Mach 6.
And just sort of we burnt them out and then just ripped them out with a big set of pliers really. That's how we found it to be the best way. Because cutting it with a saw shakes your hand like ridiculously. So I can't close my hand still. We'll put these in and then we'll sort of see if it's set the tracking out. But because we're filming a few videos while it's on the ramp, we're not going to take it out, test drive it, take it out, put it back in, test drive it for the other stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to film what we need to film, and then in the third video we'll test how it is, and Tom will drive it. Tom will have a go. All in all, once you get your technique down, they're quite easy to install. I don't know how many of these Tom's done, but I know he's done his own in his Golf and in his Lupo.
Says Mark IV Golf.
And another Mark IV boost bus thingy. The big one sounds like a pigeon that we went to Ultimate Dubs in.
I'm here. Question is, can you see Bay front window?
No.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Do it slow, Tom. Oh, I like that. So that's it. Yeah, we bolted it back up. It just takes a bit of wiggling when you sensitive equipment, hit it with a hammer. Easy. So that's job one done. Just got to put a subframe bolt back in. Seeing the full scale of things, it's actually quite easy to put them in, wasn't it? It's just finding your groove.
That's it. It helps if you're good at gym a lot.
Yeah, I don't. That's why all I did was I just pushed a what's it called, a quick spanner. So
Speed ratchet.
Speed ratchet. I was half right.
Talk to speed.
One dagger.
Sound.
So I just want to take a quick minute to thank Powerflex for this. It's a nice opportunity to get to work with nice people.
Like me.
So I've left the link below to the full R32 catalogue, but also just to their normal site. So you can search for your car and see what they can do for you. Stuff like that just stiffens, especially a car like this, you need a stiffer rear end. Because these tend to understeer a lot. That's why there's the aero and the roll bars, so that it minimises understeer that a little bit more. So that's that for now. So these, if I don't think I said it, these are the black series. So I think they're 80% stiffer than the normal. So they're just, so these are track focused bushes. But if you just want to make a fast road car, I do have a purple edition as well, which is just stiffer than standard.
Some full kits do come with correct ones for your car. Like when I ordered full kit for Lupo, it came with some of them were specifically black and some of them were purple and some of them were yellow. Like my engine mount one, it's yellow.
Yeah, my dog bone mount one, half of it's yellow and the other half is either purple or black.
So I think they're set up for, they're pre-set up for cars really.
So that's the other thing, you can order full kits. Well, for the Mark IV, they actually do a handling pack for the 4Motion. So if you just want better handling, you can just order the pack, either get someone like Tom to put it on for you, or your local garage, or just do it yourself for your mates. I think that's better. So that's been it. Look out for a few videos and we actually take it for a road test and we'll find out if they are as stiff as the men in Brad's dreams. So if you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, follow Tom, have a look at Bellmans on Facebook, they're below as well. So if you need anything, let them know. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.